Hello, my name is Dean from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing how to be building my TIE Striker from Rogue One A Star Wars. Before we get into building this, let's let that intro roll and we'll get started with it, shall we? Let's. Alrighty, so here we are, and here it is, my TIE Striker from Rogue One A Star Wars story. So if you've not seen my mock spotlight for this, I would highly recommend it. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the views, and then we'll get started building this thing, shall we? Let's. So, we have the front view, the back view, left view, right view, bottom view, and of course, the top view. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started with this thing, shall we? Let's. So, what first we're going to need is a round brick, a 1x1 a stud, and a 2x2 dish, transparent. We're going to buy the stud, and then we're going to need a trans clear one right here. That's what we want so far. Step 2. We're going to need 4 1x1 clips, 2 1x2 studs, 2 1x2 plates, and a 1x1 round and a 2x2 round brick. Need the plate. And we just need and that. So that's what that should look like so far. For step 3, we're going to need another 1x1 round brick and a plate 1x2 inverted in a trans dark blue or trans dark blue. So that is what that should look like so far. Now we need to attach 2 1x2 clips and 2 2x3s. And now we need black plate 2x3. Like so. We're going to rotate those down. I'm going to rotate those down after I finish building this. We're going to now need a 2x4 and a 1x3 and a 3x3 corner in a angled piece. Now I need a 3x12 and a 1x4. There. And then a plate 1x4 here and here. And last but not least, we'll need plate 1x2 and two plate 1x2, tile 1x2, and two 1x4, 1x2, 1x1 plate tiles. God, I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. Might not seem like it, but I do. And this is at an angle of 20. Okay, I actually had to fix something like this, so I kind of remember the angle for these. This doesn't want to hinge. What the hell? So there you go, the TIE Striker. I hope you guys enjoyed this, because I enjoyed making it for y'all. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out my socials. Those are all linked in the description down below. Also, check out my Facebook. And also, check out my friend's novel, Rise. That's in the description down below. Also, please comment down below what you would like to. Comment down below what you would like for me to build. Please request. It would be great. Be great for you to request any models in the sci-fi genre, because I would be happy to build them. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember, may the Force and the Force above be with you always. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.
Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.